So, you want to build a Joomla website? Well, I'm here to show you how. G'day. The first thing I want to do with setting up a Joomla website is how to install it. Now, I'm going to assume, because this is a dynamic website and it's not probably the first choice most beginners would choose, I'm assuming that you've already got a hosting account and a domain name. If not, let me know and I can do some tutorials on how to set that sort of stuff up for you as well. But I'm going to assume that you've got a control panel similar to the one you have just here that you can see. So most hosting providers will have a section in their control panel that will allow you to install Joomla automatically. Okay, and if you go down to the subheading of software services, right down the bottom here, all right, and look for an icon that says Softaculous, which is just here, right next to Host Popper's head on my screen. But click on that, and you'll come up with another control panel. Okay, look for this. Look for the Joomla icon, which is the four coloured tuning forks, I like to call them, and click on the install button. Now from here there's a number of choices you need to make. Okay, we'll go from the top, choose the version you want to install. Well, go to 3.3. okay, choose the protocol. Okay, you need to choose the HTTP www. Okay, and then choose the domain name you want to put it under. I'm going to use Dartech Tutorials right here. We're going to build a website for my tutorials. Okay, now in directory, if you have a number of installations in your domain, in your hosting area, all you do is you type in the directory name here. Okay, notice you don't put any / before it, just leave it as the name. The folder should not exist because the installation will create it for you. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. So they say if you want to put it into your root directory, just leave it blank, like so. Okay, database name defaults, just leave that blank. I'd make a note of that anyway. If you're running a number of databases, just make a quick note of that. So Control C. I go to my notepad, which I usually store things on, and go Control V. So that's the name there. I like to use my notepad a lot. Okay, the site name, just the name of the site you're setting up. Okay, and the site description. Okay, something simple like that. It goes through. Okay, the table prefix is here. You can change it if you like, but it just defaults, and it's not something you need to worry about too much. Don't install the sample data. I find it becomes more of an embarrassment to get rid of it than to actually help you. So just leave it as none. I'll take you through the tutorials on how to set it all up and go through anyway. Okay, the admin username and admin password. These are the names of the administrator side of Joomla. So call it whatever you like. I'm going to keep that password because it's a beauty. And again, just make a note of these when you do it, so you're not going to lose your data straight away. And I'll keep that. So just copy and paste that in there. Okay. So in here, the administrator's email, you put your email address in there. I'm just typing mine in now. You're just seeing a black screen because I'm a little bit security conscious. Okay, and down the bottom here, you've got advanced options here. Just check on that. You disable update notifications. I usually check it because I'm not that interested in updating. The Joomla itself will allow you to update. Will tell you if there's updates available anyway. So I just don't like clogging up my email too much. Okay, and the last field here is if you want this program to email you all the details that you've had, which is probably a good idea. So we copy that, put it in there. Okay, and you'll get an email with all the information you need to do it. So once I click install, the program will start installing. Okay, and there it is, checking submitted data. I'm going to pause the video now and I'll get back to you when it's all up and ready and done. Okay, we're all back again, and it's installed all very nicely. And you'll notice that there's two links here. The first one tells you where it's been installed, so let's just click on that and you'll see your new website. There it is. Okay, nothing much to look at, but it's all there, and we'll dress it up in other tutorials. Okay, so it's all there and it's looking pretty fine. Okay, close that out. We go to our administrator area. Okay, you've got your username that we've recorded later. Okay, let's just plonk that in there, and it all seems to be working, which is excellent. So that's how we install Joomla onto our hosting account. I hope you enjoyed it. Click like or subscribe to my channel, and I'll get cracking with a whole lot more tutorials for you. And we'll build this Dartech site, tutorial site up from the ground up, and see how it all goes. Thanks for watching.